Guys, please make sure you stand till the end. One common mistake that people often make can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs, parts, diagnostics that you may actually not even need. Stay with us, we'll explain what we're talking about. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Chevy Tahoe or Chevy Suburban, that generation here from year 2014 to year 2020. If you need to find where the MAF sensor fuses and relays are located, this is practically the mass airflow sensor fuses and relays. We'll explain where you can find them, where you can buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping. That way do not waste money and time. Why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. All that, guys, will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Please make sure to stay until the end. So before we start, guys, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them, guys, completely apart. We show you how to fix engines, transmissions, bodywork, guys, engine codes, transmission codes, fuses, relays as well, guys. Why we do all that? Because our mission in the shop is to save as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video. That way we can keep making these free videos. Guys, we have more than 15,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. And if you guys need to buy any parts, tools at a good price, quick shipping, that way do not waste money and time. We'll put the link in the description of the video below for your convenience. Please check it out. So the MAF sensor fuses and relays, where you can expect to find them, guys, we will demonstrate on this generation Chevy Tahoe, Chevy Suburban right here. Both vehicles are built on the same platform. It should apply to both models. The only difference, practically, the Suburban is longer. Now, guys, where you can find the MAF, mass airflow sensor fuses and relays. Quick thing, 9 out of 10 owners do not know that there will be many hidden fuse boxes. That's why we made a special video on our YouTube channel about fuse box location, Chevy Tahoe and Chevy Suburban. Go ahead and open the hood. Lucky for us, we work in easy to access fuse box. You come to the driver's side, that's the fuse box. Remove that cover. You'll find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. It is, guys, very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the J-case fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume, guys, that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse. Sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen, guys, at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well, guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. So for the MAF sensor, mass airflow sensor, guys, by the way, for any of you that want to see how to test mass airflow sensor, we'll have many videos on our YouTube channels that will teach you how to do that, so you know if it works or it doesn't work. That way you don't waste money on a new one. But the fuse that you need to check is known as fuse number 87, guys, and 87 will be that 15 amp fuse here. That will be the one that you will need to check. What about a relay? You don't have a relay, you have a power, the engine computer relay. That will be the only thing that you will need to check if you have problems with it, but practically if that relay is out, quite a few things will not work and the car practically will not start. So that's the main fuse that you need to check today. So guys, I want to show you now something. Okay, check this thing out. You have all different kinds of fuses. Fuses, relays, circuit breakers, something that could be really hard to find, and if you're in the middle of nowhere, you don't have a replacement one, you may end up being stuck, guys, in the middle of nowhere, or they can be seriously overpriced. So what we do, we usually buy some spare ones, we put in the glove box for a peace of mind. We'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get them at a good price, quick shipping. That way you do not waste money and time. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.